What's up, y'all? It's your boy Killer B. Hey man, we finna do just a little night ride, man. We're gonna check out the lights on the bike. Look at that boy. That boy is looking clean. So I just want to test the bike out, see what the lights really look like at night, and see how far they actually shine down the road. So yeah, we finna go hit it. I want to get out the neighborhood before it get too dark. And yeah, custom dynamics all the way around the bike. Custom dynamics, tri-bar light, license plate, the plug lights, the plasma rod light, real saddlebags, and the side latch lights. All this custom dynamic vent trim light, custom dynamic side light, custom dynamic lights for the lures, and lights plus custom dynamics as well. All this is custom dynamics, man. I'm loving the look of Khrome. Boy, that looks good. Khrome look clean, y'all. Yeah, it's come a long ways, man. But y'all, let's get on the road. Let's get this cold start up. Khrome been sitting in the garage. Let's get this cold start up and let's get out the neighborhood. Woo. Yeah. Sound really mean. Sound mean, Khrome. Sound really mean, y'all. I'm just gonna let him warm up for a quick 2 seconds, maybe 10 seconds, and I'm gonna roll on out of here because I know I'm disturbing the peace. Let's get it. Ooh, that baby is bright. I can tell that boy bright already, y'all. That's the low beam right there. That is the low beam. Yes, sir. Oh man, that light is so bright, y'all. Boy, I know the neighbors hate to even hear this thing crank up, man. I know it. I smell some reefer. Somebody enjoying this holiday weekend. Oh yeah. Man, Khrome sound like a monster back here, y'all. I'm gonna go on down the road, let it get dark, man, and I'm gonna get back up with you when it get dark, because this video is really to test out the lights to see how bright these boys are. Oh my! But you can already tell, man. I'm not gonna even lie to you. I can already tell they are definitely brighter than the competitor light, and you know. But yeah, we're gonna get on down the road, and I'll come back with y'all when we get on down the road, okay? Hopefully I don't get caught in the rain. I don't guess it's supposed to rain, but it's just looking crazy out here. It's been looking like that all day. Oh man, it feels good to be on the bike, man. I hadn't rode this boy since Sunday, and Saturday, today I've been doing honeydews, y'all. But you know what? You gotta make sure the house is right. Out there in the flower bed, I mean, you know, in front of the house, putting out more mulch, and pulled up all the old mulch and put that plastic that goes down on the ground so grass won't grow through. Man, your boy was tired out here. It was tired, man. I was tired and it was hot. But yeah, this is my little town I live in right here, Princeton, Texas, man. If you're ever close to the area, holler at your boy. Holler at me. Dave, man, I hope everybody enjoy your holiday. If you're riding and you're riding somewhere, hey man, y'all ride safe. We just gonna take it easy, man, cause like I said, this is just to show how bright. Those are the custom dynamic V2 lights, 2.0, baby. So these are the newer lights right here. came out with the first one, and they did just a few modifications. If you caught my last video, you'll see that they did just a few modifications. But this here, you'll see how bright these boards really are and how far they go down the road, man. Man, I want to thank Custom Dynamics for just supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. Cause man, I can be seen out here. Even on my tour pack, if I put my tour pack on, I got the Custom Dynamics lights that's up under the tour pack, and I got the light on the back right up there at the top, not the one at the very back. I don't like that look. But yeah, but I got that one on top. But they all Custom Dynamic. They run, turn, and blink, everything, however you want to say it. But I'm gonna cut it right here, man. I'm in a little traffic, and I'll come back to you when it get a little bit darker. All right, peace. All right, y'all, we finna test this out, man. Even though we got cars coming on the other side, we're gonna see how far this light that thing is bright right there. Let me turn that off. But yeah, let's see how far these lights shine down the road. Let me get in a good spot. Oh my God, y'all, look how far those lights shine down the road. That is bright. I can see that road all the way up to the hill, y'all. Man, you definitely can see with this light. If you're in the market for a light, the Shark Demon 2.0 is the light to go get, man. You still can see everything on the side of the road. Just look how clear that is. And look how far that baby go all the way down the road, man. I'm probably blinding some of them folks over there. Oh man, look at that. I just put them back on dim. But them boys shine really bright, and they shine quite a ways, man. I'm gonna turn them back on right here. Look at that. Yeah, definitely bright. They bright, they look good. Man, you can't go wrong. You got the warranty with them. You got all that to come with them, man. So, man, I would go check out Custom Dynamic website, man, and go check out these lights. These are the Shark Demon V2 2.0, baby. But them boys are definitely bright. Let me dim a light since I'm behind this car. But yeah, I think they're well worth getting. Yeah, they're definitely worth getting. I mean, these lights are brighter than those car lights that's in front of me right now. I'm just looking at my lights on my bike, and I'm looking at these car lights up here. My lights are definitely brighter than their lights, man. That's crazy. And I'm on a motorcycle. Yeah. I'm happy with the lights. I'm grateful with, I'm happy with the lights, y'all. And I'm grateful, man, that Custom Dynamic is working with me. But man, those are shining really, really bright. I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it. I want to get past this car. Why? I don't understand why they's hitting their brake. They ain't turning on no signal. Maybe them lights are just that bright. Because he got on his brakes, I don't know why. I don't know if the lights are bright on him or what. Yeah, man, but man, we're gonna end the video. I just wanted to show you these lights. I should have waited till later on tonight when there were no cars out. And but you know, this is a holiday weekend and these people are out and about. And I didn't want to be out too late, because you know, some people, you know, they might drink and drive. You know, it's the holidays. Some don't follow the rules. You know how it is, man. Some like to get behind the steering wheel and take a ride, man. Man, I hope there's none of the people that's following the channel. You don't want to take no drink behind the wheel, man. You don't want to do that. But you know, you grown. Cone sound good, running good, man. And I'm gonna do another test as well on the bike, but I'm gonna do it with the Ultracool, and I'll tell you more about that when it gets just a little bit hotter. And it's gonna be a great test you want to check out, and make sure you go check them out, man. But yeah, but this today is about custom dynamics Shark Demon V2 headlights. This part of town I'm in right now is called Farmersville. And y'all, they got a barbecue place over here, oh man, that my boy Chris took me to. Oh, y'all, if you ever in town, I'm about to take you over there, man. I got a couple of places I can take you out here and get you something to eat. And it's a nice barbecue restaurant back there. But yeah, I really want to go down a darker road, but I'm going to turn up here by this at this light up here and go down this road here. I think it's pretty dark down this road, and I want to see you know, when it's really dark, and see how these lights gonna really do. But be honest, man, they are doing well. Look at that, look to my right, look at that view, man. So if it's a deer over here or something, you can see that, man. Look how that light is shining over there, man, right over here. Look how that's shining all on that grass. That is a plus for me, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie. Y'all, we're gonna turn right here. We're just gonna take a little turn and preload, baby. Yeah, we finna put these boards on bright right here. Let's do it again, baby. Right here. I seen that daggum sign up there before anything. You can see the stop sign, y'all. Look how far from that stop sign. Man, I seen the 40 miles per hour sign before I knew it, man. Wow, y'all, these lights are definitely bright. Oh my God, I'm gonna go down this road here. I think it get a little bit darker right over here. So let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, it's a little bit dark over here. Oh my God, y'all. Yes, I am definitely satisfied with the light, y'all. I'm definitely satisfied. You cannot go wrong with this light. Let me put them on dim. There go dim right there. Now there go bright. Woo-wee! Yeah, boy. U-turn, baby. Hit it nice. Yeah, baby. But man, I'm gonna end the video right here. Like I said, go check out Custom Dynamic Shark Demon V2 headlights, y'all. Go check them out and get you a set and be safe and be seen out here on the road. Be seen out here. Yes, sir. Look at you, just seen all in that field, man. These lights are so darn bright. Woo-wee! But yeah, I'm gonna end it right here, man. Y'all stay safe, y'all ride safe, y'all have a blessed holiday, man. But until next time, the next grind, hey, we gonna be doing it big, man. So man, we going to Knoxville. So I love y'all. Peace. I'm out of here.